Kung authentic Korean spot ang hanap nyo, Zubaji Premium Korean Restaurant in Makati yung isa sa pinaka-recommend ko sa inyo. This one serves one of the best gamjatang and you can tell by the crowd. Ang daming Koreans ang kumakain dito. If you want real Korean flavors, great quality, and food that actually hits, Zubaji Premium Korean Restaurant should be on your list. Their gamjatang is the star. Napaka-comforting nitong dish na to. Rich, deep, spicy broth. Tapos yung pork ribs niya fall off the bone. And this is just the regular size ha, but it's huge. Perfect for sharing, super worth it. Next that we tried is the cheesy Hamburg steak. Thick, juicy patty plus creamy cheese sauce. Instant comfort food. Next is the chasu rice. It's soft, flavorful meat with egg on the side and cabbage. Simple, but it hits hard. Super cute nitong rice bento na to. Natuwa yung daughter ko. The rice alone stands out. Perfect texture, high quality, slightly chewy, everything in it just works. Our family loves tteokbokki kaya must order to kapag Korean restaurant. This is their sausage and tteokbokki. Chewy, spicy, sweet, savory, and the sausages are actually really good. And the best part? Unlimited soft serve ice cream with toppings. After all that spice, this is exactly what you need. Buti na lang meron na sila nito, ang sarap pa. Kaya if you're craving authentic, filling, and seriously satisfying Korean food, this spot is a must. Save this for your next food trip in Makati.